Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Bettis and I'm really sorry that I can't be with you today, but I know you're in good hands with my friend Mrs. Haynes. I wanted to show you the contents of the bag and the startup routine so that way when we go outside next week, you guys are gonna already know what to do. So as you can see in our bag, we have got the drone right here. We have got 2 batteries, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove one right here. And then we've got the remote over here. Now, the remote comes with a card that shows what each of the buttons are for. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that for now, so that way you can see all 3 parts together. Now, the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up the wings of the remote. Gently, because this is very lightweight and fragile, open up the wings, just taking them, there we go, and opening up the front and the back. So here it is right here. Now that I've got that, I'm gonna go ahead and install the battery. And so here is the battery, like this. We're gonna go ahead and insert it right here into the drone. Now, with that, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So to turn it on, we're going to start with our drone. Right here in the front is this orange button, so you're gonna go ahead and hold it until you hear the beeps. Over here with your remote, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, which is this button right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hold on to that button. And now we can see the red button is on and the flashing lights have stopped. Now, one of the things that I've learned is that every time before you go ahead and start to hover and move it, it is a good idea to make sure it's calibrated. So your calibration button is this button right here by the red light. And when you click that, when you hit that, you're gonna notice that there's gonna be flashing on the drone. Now, once it stops, then your drone is calibrated to the remote. Once you have done that, then you could go ahead and start flying. So to do that, remember, this throttle on the left is gonna let it hover. And you're gonna be able to move it up and just let it hover. We're gonna practice that on day 1, and then we're gonna go ahead and just bring it down until it stops. Again, using the throttle on the left, go ahead and turn it, hit it up. It's gonna start. Go ahead and throttle up again until it hovers, and you can leave it there, and then go ahead and throttle down until it turns off. That's gonna be one of our first lessons. We're gonna add some other movements as we go through, but I look forward to seeing you in a week. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.